I have invited Arshita Basira. As a fresher, she has been cracked the job as a business analyst. So make sure to watch the completely video. Don't skip and like the video. Follow me for more interview updates. End of the video, I have asked to share her resume. She has been shared, which got selected for business analyst role, and I have asked as well as how to craft the resume as per job description. Every job description which she has been applied. Is to your audience. So I will
Okay,
start. We will start with the questions. Just you can introduce. No,
yeah.
it's up to you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Harshita Basira. I'm from Porbandar, Gujarat, and I have completed my bachelor's in Bachelor's of Commerce in May 2024. And after that, I have started preparing for data analytics. And in November 2024, I got my first job, and I'm currently working as a business analyst in that job in empowering CPO. That's
Okay. Okay. When did you graduated?
I graduated in May 2024.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Since then, what you are doing since then as of now. So what you are doing before getting the job?
So before, my graduation completed in May 2024, and post that I started preparing for this data analytics preparation. And in November 2024, I got my first job. So I was completely preparing for this data analytics.
Okay. I mean, how long did you take to complete the courses and get the job? Like for duration?
Actually, I didn't get any course. I was preparing from YouTube tutorials and all. So I didn't take any courses and all.
Okay, you just gone through with the only YouTube channels, right?
Yeah, YouTube tutorials or with the help of some of the platforms for practice purpose and chat GPT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So could you please recommend any whatever the resources you have used?
I have used YouTube. I have mostly consumed the content from YouTube. Like some of the channels, like Chandu's YouTube channel, I have mostly consumed the content. Like their content for data analytics is very good and beginner friendly mostly.
Mhm.
So I mostly watch that his videos.
Okay.
And for other platforms, there are some platforms like HackerRank or HackerRank, Lead Code, Data Lemur. These are the
Your voice is not audible to me. I think something is missing.
hello.
Yeah, yeah. Right now it's okay. Yeah, tell me. I can edit during that editing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the I will again repeat the thing.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
The resources which I have used from YouTube, I would recommend one YouTube channel, that is Chandu's YouTube channel
Okay.
for data analytics preparation. Their content is very clear and beginner friendly.
Hmm.
And also there is another YouTube channel called Rishabh Mishra, I guess. Yeah,
Hmm.
Rishabh Mishra's YouTube channel, and yes, Shashank sir's YouTube channel, and also that Code Basics YouTube channel.
Okay.
So these are some of the channels that definitely help beginners to at least start your data analytics journey.
Okay.
And also, there is one another YouTube channel which I have explored during my preparation. That is Natasha Sevelraj. Her, the content related to data analytics is very nice, and you will get a very lot. You will learn very lot of new things in for preparing this data analytics. Other platforms like for SQL part. There are platforms like very known platforms, Hacker and LeetCode, Data Lemur. These are the platforms you can definitely check out if you are preparing for SQL. And also, I have used ChatGPT a lot for preparing interview questions or for preparing this SQL or some of the problem solving questions for scenario questions for Excel, Power BI. These are the things like mostly I have used. And also, there is a platform called Medium. Uh, where people share their experiences and all. The that platform is also very good if you are like preparing for data analytics.
Medium is the article, right? People are going to write over there.
Mhm. Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah.
So
Abs-
what kind of so you have followed some articles, right? So could you recommend what kind of people you have followed? I mean,
I remember one article that that is Analyst Uttam. Yes, Analyst Uttam is they share very good content and like it feels very real content related to data analytics. So people can definitely check out that page also.
thank you. And as well as okay, you said right. Some she was I know you told me that her name was what you said. Her name
Uh,
was she was
Na-
yeah. You recommended one YouTube channel, right? Her name was I just forget it.
Natasha Sevilraj
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah,
Oh. Mm.
Natasha. So what she was, sharing the knowledge on top of YouTube. Like, what is her tutorial? Something.
Like I saw one of her video is that she recommended that how people can create their own portfolio from scratch with the help of the chat GPT from scratch. So that video definitely people should check out. That was something very new to me. Like what she has like she has given us everything like from the structure of the portfolio or the code of the what we should write a prompt in the chat gpt, so everything she has.
Again, there is a sound problem from your end.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's okay. So you
Yeah.
said the portfolio. Yeah, same.
Yeah, so I have seen one of a video that is how to prepare the portfolio for data analytics or data scientists uh, from scratch with the help of ChatGPT itself. So that video is very helpful for maybe that will be very helpful for many of the aspirants to like how to prepare the portfolio from scratch with the only help of the ChatGPT. Like she has also like mention like all the required sources for like how to prepare that portfolio. And she also made her own portfolio with the help of that thing. So that definitely people should check out.
No, nice, nice. So
Yeah,
because I'm not aware about that girl, whatever the
yeah, you
knowledge.
should definitely check out her channel. It's
Okay.
very helpful.
Okay. And how did you get your first job, like a business analyst in empowering?
So I have started applying from August 2024 to the jobs, and the job and initial 1 and 1.5 months I didn't get any call, nor my resume was shortlisted anywhere. So I was just applying every day, and I was using two platforms only, LinkedIn and Naukri platform, and I was applying a lot, and and also keep updating my resume according to the job description, and yeah, and also always connecting with peoples who are who can potentially hire data analyst, and on the LinkedIn, and I was always asked for the referral if I can get any referral from them.
Hmm.
So with this, on November, I got a call. Like I was applying for data analytics jobs in Naukri, and then in morning, maybe I was shortlisted in that.
Okay, mainly you got the call from Naukari or LinkedIn?
So mainly, I got the calls from LinkedIn only. This is the maybe first time I got the call from Naukri.
Okay, okay. I mean, so every time you are going to, I mean, make the resume as per job description, right? Every time.
Yeah, I was trying to always update the resume according to the mostly from the job description.
Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. Okay, so what was the rounds over there like whenever you are going during that time you are giving the interview?
Uh, there were three rounds
Mm-hmm.
in that in the interview. The first was just a normal screening call uh, round where they have just like they told to just introduce about self, just to share the background of yours.
Mm-hmm.
Now, and the second was about the Excel and Power BI related interview.
Okay, okay. So and mostly they were asked about only SQL and Power BI, right?
Yeah, mostly. But in my that in my interview of my current organization, they didn't use SQL, so their focus was mostly on Excel and Power BI.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Excellent Power. Okay, okay.
yeah.
Can you give me what kind of questions they were asked during that time, if you are remember something regarding questions?
In all, I have appeared in around 7 to 8 interviews, but in most of the interviews, they mostly ask the basic, thing like the foundation should be very clear of the aspirant. So they mostly ask the basic questions, and yeah, so the what is difference between where and clause and having clause, or
Okay.
pivot tables, or in Power BI they mostly ask some basic decks thing, and like how to prepare visuals, any particular visuals in the Power BI, that kind of things they ask.
Okay, okay. And on top of Power Query, I mean, sorry, like on top of Excel, they haven't asked regarding Power Query or conditional formatting, these kind of things.
Uh, no, Power Query they didn't ask. They asked about Power BI questions,
Okay.
like how to they have asked. I remember they have asked one question that, like, what is the use of edit interaction in the Power BI?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, preparing this visual,
Mm-hmm.
that thing, and if condition they are mostly asked. Might so our company is providing the consulting, like it's a consulting firm, procurement consulting firm. We and our clients are mainly from the healthcare industry only, and in that our work is to track the compliance of that particular particular business unit. Now here what compliance is, that suppose during the RFP is called a request for proposal. So this is the process where a particular organization finds a supplier according to the price. Hello. Yeah. No, but I'm able to hear your voice correctly. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So our organization is providing a procurement consulting services, in which our clients are majorly from the healthcare industry. and in which we are tracking the compliance of that particular business unit or the particular hospital. Now, what compliance here is that in the RFP process, RFP is called request for proposal. Now, in that process, the we find the best suppliers for the particular item that or that organization wants to purchase for their daily usage. Now, after like finding that best suppliers for that particular item, now our work is to track whether the whatever the item is proposed during that RFP process is being consumed or not by the hospital. That thing which we are tracking. So basically, my work is not the actual business analyst work. It's mainly of the data analytics kind of work where we use Excel and Power BI for tracking purpose. These are the like things which we are doing on a monthly or a weekly basis. We need to share the number, what percentage the compliance done this week.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, for example, what do you interviewer actually look for freshers and experienced candidate during the interview?
So for freshers, mostly like they mostly do not expect anything to know everything like for like they do not expect us to know everything like from Excel, Power BI, SQL. No, if you are good in the foundations at least,
Mm.
they are good to know because initially you do not have any experience to show them, right? For freshers especially.
Okay.
So, what they think is, what they think in particular environment is that whether the
Again, there is a issue with your connection.
hello,
Yeah, now okay. So,
hello.
yeah, I'm able to hear your voice.
Yeah. So, what they mostly see is the intent of that aspirant, the communication skills of that candidate. These are the things, and obviously, if you have knowledge about these tools, that it will be very helpful to you. Obviously, so mostly, and also what kind of projects you have worked on, these are the things that mostly I think they are see in the candidate for the freshers candidate.
So, what kind of projects have you worked on, and which domain and which function you were, created? So like, I'm talking about only projects. Okay, what kind of projects you have done to get the shortlisted your resume, and
So
I'm
yeah.
talking about domain as well as functions. Like function, right? You have done projects, couple of projects.
Actually, I have done like I have practiced worked on multiple projects, and for practice purpose also. So from that, I have added one project called tech layoff analysis. Uh, that thing like layoff thing. Uh, and also I have added that personal finance expense tracker. These are the some basic projects I have
Mhm.
added in my resume.
Okay. As a fresher, people really require project portfolio, like getting the job.
uh, I would suggest it. If you are preparing your portfolio, it will definitely help you in your hiring process, because as a fresher we do not have any experience in that field. So if you have worked on projects, you it shows that you have worked on these things, you know the data, you know about the tool. So it will definitely help you in your hiring process if you have portfolio, because it shows that okay, that person has worked on at least these things.
Okay, how many projects have you completed on top of Excel?
uh, In Power BI, I have done multiple projects for practice purpose, but in my resume I have shared only one for Power BI and one for SQL.
What about Excel?
Sorry.
I'm talking about Excel. Haven't done any projects on top of Excel.
No.
Okay. Python, you haven't mentioned as well.
No.
Okay. Only SQL and Power BI, you have done each project on top of both the tools.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So, how did you plan your day from, for example, preparing for the interviews before coming up for the interview? So, how you can make planning? So, what kind of resources should I use? What kind of questions should I prepare, like that stuff?
So first, when I get shortlisted for the interview round, I first search about the company itself, like what exactly the company is doing, their employees. What like I used to search their company's people on their LinkedIn itself,
Mm-hmm.
and see what kind of work they are doing, and if they are active on LinkedIn by sharing their content, then I used to read that what kind of things they are doing. And also about the role, I also and study deeply about what things they have mentioned in their job description also.
Mm-hmm.
And for the questions, interview questions, I used to prepare from Google itself, like by searching some basic interview questions, and also go through to my resume also. So these are the things I used to do before interview.
Okay, like for example, in technical interview, is that guy, whatever the guy who is taking interview, so is that particular person is going to ask you, for example, some queries, right, on top of SQL. So how did you practice those kind of practicing the queries on top of SQL, like before going for the
So
yeah.
so as I mentioned that I used to learn from the platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, Data Limit. These are the kind of platforms where I mainly practice the SQL part. I what I used to do is I used to every day, like I used to practice this SQL thing. Uh, and during the interview, I was just go through some theory part of that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, for example, I'm the fresher, okay? I just want to prepare for the interview. So interview is going to be in the next 5 days or 6 days. Okay. So what kind of advice you are going to give? So what kind of mistakes should not do?
I would say first thing is go through the job description, go through research about what the role is about exactly. That is very important thing. Uh, like just
Okay.
learn about what the role is
Mhm.
and what the company is doing, and then also go through your own resume itself, what kind of projects you have worked, how you will explain these things.
Mhm.
And and also would suggest to strong your foundations, because mostly in interviews for freshers, in interviews they mostly focus on your foundations part. So these are the things which I would suggest
Foundation
to the
part
fresher.
means like for example, foundation part means
Some basic things like in Excel, just go through the pivot tables, or some of the formulas that are mostly used. And in Power BI, just go through the interface of the Power BI, because most of the questions come from these things also. So
mm,
these are the things which sometimes we neglect, but these are the very important part.
exactly. And I just gone through your profile. I figured it out. You have given the interview for phone pay as well, right? So
Yeah.
so what was that round process and interview process, and how should candidate prepare for that? For example, if you want to give some advice.
Yeah. So I got a when I found one profile
Mm-hmm.
on LinkedIn of that guy who was working in phone pay itself. I messaged him like, is there any opening in the phone pay? And then he mentioned that your profile is already we found already your profile shortlisted, and they have conducted the interview. In the interview round, they have the first round was solely focus on the SQL itself.
Mm-hmm.
They mentioned that I will give you the query like problems, and you need to
Problem state.
write the you need to write the SQL queries for that. So that they didn't mostly ask about the introduction, they ask very basic, like just introduce yourself, and then they started the these
Query.
things to write the as they give the problem questions, and I just need to write the queries for that. That was the just a
Okay.
basic interview. Yeah.
Okay. Mostly, that guy has been asked to only top up SQL, right? Like giving the problem
Yes.
statement.
Yeah, only SQL, and then after completing that interview round, I got a call that you are shortlisted for the second round, and that second round was solely focused on the Power BI.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So have you completed the second round as well?
Yeah, I have appeared in the second round, but then after I got rejection mail.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually, I was not able to answer some of the questions, like two, three questions. That's why maybe I got rejected.
Okay. As a fresher, you have given right interview as well for.
Yeah, as a fresh.
Mm-hmm. So have you
Mm.
done any internships before getting your first job?
I have done one unpaid internship, not the basic that internship we used to go in the office and all. No, that was I just do one unpaid internship for 1 month. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How did you get
Yeah,
that
that was
internship?
very basic.
Yeah. How did you get that internship opportunity?
After completing my graduation, I was I saw one on LinkedIn itself. I saw one advertisement from their company page itself. So I just apply for that and got this opportunity.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So, for example, how many hours per day are actually enough for preparation, or what should people to do? I mean, what should people stop doing? Like, how many hours should I prepare for the interview? Okay. So, if I just want your advice, so what should people stop doing? Do you understand the
Uh,
question?
can you explain?
Like, for
Sorry, can you repeat again?
yeah, how many hours per day are actually enough for preparation, like interview preparation? Okay.
Uh, okay.
Yeah, that is the question. You can ask. You can tell me.
Okay, so I guess there is not a perfect answer for this question because some people used to sit and prepare for maybe a continuous 2 3 hours. Some people get the idea around in 1 hour. So I think that is completely on that person only. But on an average, I think one person should at least give 1 and 2 hours for preparing this interview is enough, I guess.
Mm-hmm. So, okay,
Yeah.
uh, you told me, right? You have given two technical interviews. So, like whatever the company right now you're working, right? So, after your introduction round, so screening round, something you said. So,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the technical round, so mostly they are going to ask you questions on top of DAX on SQL queries, right? Isn't it any day apart from these questions?
No, not SQL. As they are not working on SQL, they mostly were asked in the Excel and Power BI part.
Okay, in Power BI, what questions they were asked? like theoretical questions or is related only tax something?
In my current organization, they have asked mostly theoretical questions.
Okay,
Yeah.
you haven't they haven't given any problem statement on top of SQL. You haven't
No.
okay.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for example, if you want to start again from the zero today, what exact steps would you follow for the next 90 days?
So the first thing which I would start learning is the Excel part, because most of like if one is good enough in Excel,
Hmm.
they will easily able to crack the Power BI or the Dex part, and same for the SQL part also. So I would first focus on this Excel part, then Power BI, and then SQL.
Mm-hmm. Excel,
Yeah.
Power BI, and SQL, right? SQL.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So, okay, I mean, in your current organization, what tools you are using?
Excel and Power BI mostly. These two.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So that's about all the questions from my side. If you want to say something which I'm not covered, so I don't know any questions. I mean, I don't have any questions for you. If you know any questions, any answers, something, you can tell me something which is important for us, like audience.
Uh, I guess there is one question, that is how to how to stand out from this competitive job
Exactly.
market.
Nice
Yeah,
question.
this is the thing which I would like suggest, that if like there are so many, like if there is one job opening, thousands of or lakhs of applications sent to the company.
Mm,
In that, to be how one should stand out from that huge crowd. So I would suggest to start focusing. The first thing that you should definitely work on your portfolio also, because
mm,
as a fresher, portfolio is the only thing how we can showcase our skills. Second,
okay.
you should definitely stay active on the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is a very good platform for showcasing your skills, showcasing your knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
You can do that by creating content, by commenting on some insightful posts. These are the things you can definitely do to stand out from the job market crowd. These are
Mm.
the very important things.
Okay, one is the project portfolio as well as I mean active on LinkedIn, right? Like commenting
Yeah.
and engaging with other posts, something.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, okay, and that's it. My questions, everything. So if you are comfortable, you can show me your resume. I just want to see. I will each section how you I mean how you are going to make resume as per every job description.
The first thing I have mentioned here the skills, because if my education is not mostly aligned with my role, so that's why I have firstly mentioned my skills. Like if someone is coming from a BTech background and something like that, they should definitely add this their education section for on a first as a first section. But I have added my skill section
Mhm.
as a first, in which I have bifurcated my skills in some of the groups. Like in database, I know these things. In data visualization, I know these are the things. In this way, I have divided my skill section.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, what about experience section?
Yeah. So the next is experience section, in which I have just added my experience, like what things I have worked on. Mostly, these are the things, and this is the data analyst internship I have worked
Mhm.
on.
Okay.
Now, the third is the project section. I have added just project section, and also added these links. Like if you click on the link, it
Mm.
will redirect to you some. this Medium article in which I have explained my whole project in detail.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. So you have explained everything, whatever the projects you have done, right? Right from the
yes,
problem statement to until the solution.
yes. Yeah,
Okay.
second project.
Nice.
Way I have attached this link, and this is the small achievement section I have added, and the certificate, and that's last education.
Okay, I mean, how did you get the projects, whatever the projects you have done in the project section? So from where, from which platform you get these projects? Like you said, right? You have gone through all the free resources.
I got the data set I got mostly from the Kaggle itself. So
Mhm.
I have found this data from the Kaggle and then done the project on my own.
Okay, these are the unguided projects, right?
Yeah, yeah. These are all the unguided projects.
Oh, nice, nice. Very good.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
nowadays folks are only mentioning only guided projects.
yes, yeah.
That is
Hmm.
also main issue because
Yes, exactly.
exactly. Thank you so much for giving your time and efforts, whatever you have given that such a valuable information.
Yeah,
So thank you so much. So that's it. Simple. I can edit, okay, whatever the things we
yeah,
have done.
yeah.
Okay.
Sure.